Hey everyone, it's Darnell. Welcome to Shoemaker Art. Today I got a special guest. I have my grandson.
Hello.
And I'm going to give him free reign. He wants to try a swipe. So I've got some colors laid out, the blues and then the tans and sand color for the beach area. He's got some white with some silicone in it, and he's just going to go to town. So the first thing he's going to do is cover his edges with the white. So go ahead.
And I'm new, so don't roast me in the comments.
You're new, so don't roast you in the comments. Goodness gracious, Ryan. You will do fabulous, darling. And right now you can turn your canvas around if you want to look at the back side. You're probably going to get it pretty good just by feel. But yeah. There you go. You got them all now?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. This.
What do you want me to do?
Just wipe your hands off and then you can give it to me. These gloves are a little big, aren't they? Whoops. All right, so start laying your colors down. Pick out what you want to use, and you can tell, let's see. This is Carolina Blue Shimmer from Proj Posse Paints.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. I buy her paints.
I know.
It's my friend.
Sponsored.
Woo! Now you want that darker at the top?
I need to add like a...
There you go. Didn't say what the other colors were. I think that's primary blue.
Yeah.
The little white added. It's okay. It's okay. And then that color he's got now is Prussian blue. That dries really dark. We painted a couple times before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks good, Ryan.
I'm trying to shake it.
Comes out really fast, doesn't it?
Primary again.
Yes, that is primary. And then we'll tilt some of that paint off because you don't want all of that on there, but wait till you get all your colors on. I'm gonna make it, add some little more of the dark at the top. Yep, that one.
And then, now I'm going to start the sand.
All right. So that there is sand. This one from Proj Posse Paints. And then he's got linen. I think it's folk art. Is the darker one? Okay. And then that is gold that he's got now.
Now I need white.
Okay.
Just normal white.
Just normal white that is not, doesn't have silicone?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't use a whole lot of that just because you're going to swipe with white. Ooh, very good. You want it? Okay. So, do you want to do it all the way across? Or do you want to do a little bit of a time with this?
I want to do
With that. Okay. All right. So this is the one with silicone. So you can, let's get these out of the way. All right. So just pour a little bit and then you can swipe it across, like a little line of it. You can try it like that. I don't know how much you're going to be able to.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. And then lightly over the top, just ever so lightly. Okay, hang on. Right? It looks really good. You can play around it. You don't want to push all the way to the canvas. You just want to. You're just skimming over the top. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right. So you want to start the blue area now?
Yeah.
All right. Let's wipe that sand off. Okay. All right.
Let's add a little bit.
Oh, we didn't tilt.
Silicone over here. That's okay.
We forgot, didn't we? You just want to lightly go over the top. Yeah, actually, you got too much paint on there. We're going to have to tilt. So just go back to the side, and you're just going to try to get a little bit off of that paint off on the sides.
I think the sand looks really good.
The sand does look good. Okay, now just tilt it this way and let it run off. You got too much on there. You know, none hardly run off. You got to go back and or tilt that way, whatever you prefer.
I'm gonna get some less sand.
Okay.
That looks good.
Okay. Well, you didn't get any paint off though, so you got to go to the side. Just keep it going. Let some of that run off. Okay. Now go the other way. To that side, yes.
Are you gonna put this audio in?
Yes. Is that all right?
I mean, I'm a pro, so I don't really need it.
You what?
I'm a pro, so I don't really need it.
You're a pro. You're pretty comfortable around it. Okay, now take some of that corner up there. And you can go back and make your sand smaller too after you're done, but tilt it that way to get your paint to run over that edge. Yeah, tilt it up a little bit. Nope, you gotta keep going. And almost. There you go. Okay, so now you can bring it back down and get your sand back down to, ooh, look what it did. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, but you can still bring it this way.
I'm gonna put a little more silicone in this area.
Okay. You can have as much sand as you want if you just lightly just take this and you want to run it right over the top. Now I went too deep there. There you go. Now let's wipe that off. I got paint all over my hands. And we're gonna run it this way a little bit. And we just lightly want to go over. No, don't lift it up and down, honey. We're keeping it straight. There you go. And there. Okay. Right? Now what do you want to do to it?
I think I'm gonna mix these colors now.
Okay. Looks good.
What too deep?
I know, and it's easy to do, isn't it? There you go. Okay, you don't want to overdo it, because you want some of your original colors to show through. That looks really fantastic though, Ryan.
I'm gonna add some more silicone right here.
Okay, let's wipe off your...
Can I put a little over here?
Yes. All right. Just lightly over the top, drag it over. Yes. Keep it. Making like a big pile, a wave there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, I'm going to have you step back just a little bit and I'm going to torch it.
Does that look good?
That looks really, really good.
I like it.
I do too. Good job, buddy. All right, so let's go ahead and say our goodbyes and we'll get this cleaned up. So
Bye.
did you want to peek up there and say hi?
Bye. Hello, Mom.
All right, thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, that too.